I asked ChatGPT how to make money online in 2023, business ideas from AI. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we're going to be discussing about a brand new AI that was just released by a company called OpenAI. OpenAI is a great company that works around with the future of technology, and it is just great when it comes to augmented reality and artificial intelligence. So we're going to be talking about that, and I'm going to talk about the new project that they've released called ChatGPT, and I'm going to be asking ChatGPT how to make money and it to give me money ideas for 2023. And it's going to be very simple, very easy, and it's going to be very descriptive for you, and your knowledge will be enhanced, and this is going to be very informative when it comes to making money. So just sit back, relax, and watch this video till the end to properly know how to make money in 2023. So without further ado, first of all, let's go to openai.com. So as you can see, you can go to OpenAI's artificial intelligence website by yourself. It's a great website that basically shapes the future of technology, and it talks about different projects and different researches that they have done. You can check it all out. It's great stuff, and it's just amazing. It really truly is great for the future of technology. You can check it all out if you want to, but we're here to talk about the ChatGPT project that OpenAI has done. So this is the ChatGPT OpenAI project. So as you can see, it optimizes language models for dialogue, etc. Obviously, that doesn't make a lot of sense, but what will make sense is what I'm about to show you. So these are the samples that are taken from ChatGPT. So basically, in the following sample, ChatGPT asks clarifying questions to debug code. So basically, the user wrote in a code, he or she said that this is the code and this is showing some errors, so please tell me an error. And it says it's difficult to say what's wrong with about the code without more context, and you just give it more context, and look at that, it tells you the error. And it's, if that doesn't make sense, if you're not a coder, then you can ask it questions and it's going to give you answers. You can ask it things about education, it's going to give you answers. You can ask it things like these and it's going to give you answers. It's just great stuff. And then if you come down here, you can see the different methods that we used to make this AI. So yeah, those are all just things in depth, and you can check it all out later if you want to using their website. But right now what we're going to do is, obviously, we're going to ask it how to make money. So if we come here and click on try ChatGPT, what it's going to do is it's going to bring us here. Now, if you don't have an OpenAI account, it's going to ask you to log in, or it's going to ask you to sign up. But if you do, it's just going to ask you to log in with your OpenAI account, and you should be set to go. Now, once we're here, well, what's going to happen is down here in the question box, we're going to go ahead and write. Now, obviously, I see that there's not a lot going on because it's a new software, but trust me, it's amazing. If you like down here, if we write, how can I make money in 2023? If I write that, there are many ways to make money in 2023. Here are a few ideas. Now you're just going to wait like around 20 seconds, and in 20 seconds it's going to give you all these great ideas that are going to be amazing. They're going to be great ideas that will basically make you a lot of money. So I'm just going to wait for it to fully load up. Okay, so now it's fully loaded up with all the responses. And here are a few ideas. Start a business. This can be traditional brick and mortar business or an online business. Consider starting a business in a field that you are passionate about or have experience in or expertise in. Now, this is obviously one of the greatest ideas. Obviously, you don't even need an AI to give you that. This idea is since the dawn of time. Starting a business is the best way to make money. If you start your own business, and that business could be about anything, it could be any area you have expertise in. It could be around computers, it could be around law, it could be anything. You can make your own law firm, you can make your own computer firm, you can start a computer sciences business, a software business, a hardware engineering business, any type of business that you require. And or even you can do it from home. You can make an online business by doing e-commerce. You can use different websites. When it obviously comes to e-commerce, you can use all these great websites like Shopify, WordPress, and much more. you can use those to start your online business and just make a lot of money. And this is true because starting a business does make you tons and tons of money. And yes, do remember, consider starting a business in a field that you are passionate about. Because if you start a business, let's say if you're like very much into computer sciences or software engineering, and you start a business regarding aeronautical engineering or maybe mechanical engineering, then you're not going to have a lot of fun because you don't even like that area of expertise. So yeah, this is a great way to start money. Then if you go on freelance or offer consulting services, if you have a particular skill or area of expertise, you can offer your services on a freelance or consulting basis. This can be a great way to make money on your own terms. This is also a great idea, and obviously freelancing has been on its peak for the past few years because freelancing is just an amazing way to make money. You can sit at home and do work for your clients from anywhere around the world. I can sitting here from Pakistan, I can work for anyone in Russia to Senegal. I can work for anyone in Africa, etc. Just different continents away. I can work for any client that demands my work. And yeah, freelancing in that case is a great way to make money. And obviously, when it comes to freelancing, you have websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and freelancer.com, and there's just a lot more. And yes, freelancing does get you a lot of money. Then obviously you can invest in the stock market. If you have some savings that you can afford to risk, you may want to consider investing in the stock market. Be sure to do your research and invest wisely. Now, investing in the stock market, although it can make you a whole lot of money, but it could be also a risky maneuver, which is why it's said that if you can afford to risk it. So do know this, that if you invest in some stock market and the stock drops, you're practically going to be bankrupt. So I wouldn't recommend investing in the stock market because it varies a lot on how the stock really works. So this is totally your choice. It is a great way to make money, but only if you have that much money that you can afford to risk. Number four is obviously rent out a room on Airbnb. If you don't know what Airbnb is, Airbnb is basically a service that provides you with vacation homes or condo rentals, and it could be any vacation rentals in any country that you have, and it's just you get it on great prices. So rent out a room on Airbnb. If you have a spare room in your home, you can make money by renting it out on Airbnb. This can be a great way to make some extra cash while meeting new people. Basically, if you live in a big house and if you live alone, or maybe even if you live with people, you have a room to spare and that room is used for nothing. You can put it up on Airbnb and you can give it to tourists or any people that come by, and you can give it at a good price. And obviously, it is a great way to make money. And yes, you can socialize with some new tourists or some new people, and it could be a very fun and easy way to make a lot of money. And the fifth is sell items on eBay or Etsy. And yes, that is a great way. You can make an eBay market for yourself and you can sell things on it, or even an Etsy market. And this is also obviously, this is like ever since websites like Amazon, eBay were created, this is also a great way to make. You can just sell or dropship items on these websites and make a lot of money. And then obviously last but not least, offer services on task-based platforms. And this is obviously, this reconciles with the second one when it comes to freelancing. You can offer services on platforms such as TaskRabbit or Fiverr that obviously have task-based tasks on it, and it can be a great way to make money. Basically, there are different categories for different tasks like digital design, website, freelancing, computer services, video editing, photo editing, etc. You can just make money from all of that. Obviously, this coincides with the second one. And yes, the last message is remember that making money takes time and effort. Be patient and persistent, and keep looking for opportunities that align with your interests and skill. And yes, that is really true. And if you want to see more responses from me, you can just click on regenerate response, and it will just give you different basically ideas. So yeah, that is basically the ways you can make money in 2023. And obviously you can ask more things to ChatGPT about it. And I hope this video was informative and helpful to you. So I hope you all liked it, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.